Solga, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 9th question from the Linear Digital SAT, Test 1, Module 2. Number 9 reads, the function f is defined by f of x equals 7x cubed. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals g of x is the result of shifting the graph of y equals f of x down 2 units. Which equation defines function g? So I'll explain a little something for you here. So I'll use h of x so we don't confuse this. If we've got h of x and then we've got h of x minus 2, this is going to shift you to the right 2 units. If you had h of x plus 2, that's going to shift left 2 units. Now this you might not expect. We could say that this is unexpected. Okay, that's terrible. But now if you add 2 to the x, you'd expect it to shift right. It shifts left. If you subtract 2, you might expect it to shift left, but it shifts right because in the negative directions to the left for the x and positive directions to the right to the x, just know that it goes the other way. If you had h of x and then you did plus 2, this would shift up to h of x minus 2. That's going to shift down 2. And you might say that this is expected because if you add to your y, you would go up. That's logical. If you subtract from y, you would go down. For that reason, you know your answer here already. If we need to shift, if g of x is given by shifting y equals f of x 2 units down, then it looks like that one. It's going to be answer choice D. Answer choice C would be shifting 2 units up. And what you don't actually need to know any of this. You can plug all of these right into Desmos, and let's see what it looks like in Desmos. If you plug them all into Desmos, you can tell which sign is which. The first one's red, the second one's blue. Answer is A. The red one's the original. Answer choice A is blue, B is green, C is purple, D is black. And you can see the black one is the same as the red one, only it's 2 units down. The purple one is the same as the red one, only it's 2 units up. Answer choice A, which is 7 over 2 x cubed, you can see that that's the blue one. And you can see that that makes the graph just a little bit fatter. And that's what happens when the coefficient of x decreases. You might expect it to be wider, but it's actually, narrower, but it's actually a little fatter. And then 7x to the 3 over 2, that exponential, that's your green one. And notice it's only in positive territory for the y, and it's also a little skinnier. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with functions, does not know how they shift. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.